My dear learners, you are welcome. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islami High School, Tebamadupur Kaunia, Rangpur. My lesson identity: English first paper, class 10, Unit 8, Lesson 1. First, look at the picture. In the picture, you can see the picture of a mosque, and its name is Baitul Mukarram. Its name is Baitul Mukarram. Today I am going to teach you an interesting lesson about a mosque, and its name is the Shat Gambuz Mosque. The Shat Gambuz Mosque. Dear learners, after we have watched this video, we will be able to listen for specific information, read and understand text through watching, ask and answer questions. The Shat Gambuz Mosque is one of the greatest mosques in Bangladesh. We can see many big mosques in cities or towns, but they are not like the Shat Gambuz Mosque. We can also see many small mosques in our locality. They are used for praying. Dear learners, now I am showing you some pictures. These are the pictures of World Heritage. First, Sundarbans. Second, Paharpur. Third, Ahsan Manzil. Fourth, Kuthibari of Rabindranath. Dear learners, now I am going to teach you some new vocabulary. Heritage. Heritage means the places and sites that have values and importance for the global people. Outskirts. The parts of a town or city that are farthest from the center. Infrastructure. The basic structure of an organization. Unique. Unique means exclusive, exceptional, matchless. Remarkable. Extraordinary, outstanding. Heritage means the places and sites that have values and importance for the global people. Outskirts, the parts of a town or city that are farthest from the center. Infrastructure, the basic structure of an organization. Unique, exclusive, exceptional, matchless. Remarkable, extraordinary, outstanding. Dear learners, now I am going to read the text. You will carefully observe it. Heritage is what we inherit from the past, live with in the present, and then pass on to our children or future generation. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. When we speak of world heritage, it indicates places and sites that we inherited from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire people. The Shat Gambuz Mosque in Bagherhat is such a heritage. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Originally, the historic mosque city was known as Khalifatabad. It is used at the outskirts of Bagherhat town, not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony. It was founded by the Turkish general as Saint warrior Ulugh Khan Jahan in the 15th century. It was founded by the Turkish general as Saint warrior Ulugh Khan Jahan in the 15th century. The infrastructure of the city reveals significant technical skills in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Baked bricks were used for the construction of the buildings. The planning of the city was dominated by the tradition of Islamic architecture, and the decorations were a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. Khan Jahan built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, and reservoirs to make the city hospitable. There are about 360 mosques in the city. Among them, the most remarkable is the multi-domed Shat Gambuz Mosque. The mosque is unique in the sense that it has 60 pillars that support the roof with 77 low-height domes. The four corners have smaller domes at the top as well. The vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east and 7 east on the north and south for light and ventilation. It has 7 aisles running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep curves between the slender stone columns. These columns support the carving arches created by the domes. The thickness of the arches is 6 feet and have slightly narrowing hollow and round wall. The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs, neck in the mosque pointing towards Makkah. These mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. The floor of the mosque is made of brick. Besides being used as a prayer hall, Khan Jahan used the mosque as his court too. Today, it is one of the greatest tourist attractions and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. My dear learners, now I have presented a chart and you have to try to complete it after watching the video. Shat Gambuz Mosque, founded by Ulugh Khan Jahan, a Turkish general and a saint warrior. When was it founded? It was founded in the 15th century. Number of domes 77. Number of pillars 60. Arches 25. Mihrabs. Thickness of the arches 6 feet. Mihrabs 11. So you notice that the ষাট গম্বুজ Mosque was founded by Ulugh Khan Jahan, a Turkish general and a saint warrior. When was it founded? It was founded in the 15th century. Number of domes 77. Number of pillars 60. Arches 25. Thickness of the arches 6 feet. Mihrabs 11. Dear learners, now I am going to ask some questions and you will try to find out the answer of these questions. I am also helping you to find out the answer. Who was Khan Jahan Ali? Khan Jahan Ali was a Turkish general and a saint warrior who preached Islam in Bagherhat. Question 2. How did he make the city hospitable? He made the city hospitable by building a network of roads, bridges, public buildings and reservoirs. What do you know about the ষাট গম্বুজ Mosque? We know that the ষাট গম্বুজ Mosque is a Bangladeshi heritage. It is located at the outskirts of Bagherhat town. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Why was Bagherhat called a mosque city? Bagherhat was called a mosque city because there were about 360 mosques in the city. How will you evaluate the ষাট গম্বুজ Mosque? The ষাট গম্বুজ Mosque is one of the greatest tourist attractions and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. In this way, it is evaluated. My dear learners, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay.